Hi guys, we got another video and I just want to tell you thank you very much for clicking on this one. So I do have, that's right, I have a pretty beat up box here from BOXYCHARM. It took a beating. I think this one here is my Beauty Over 50 profile. This should be my base box, but they do use the black boxes inside. When the box is black inside, it's only because it's just a little bit bigger than the one that's that red. Invite only. It's the same theme all the way across all the boxes, even though there's only 2 for the month of November. And let's see what my variation is, because it doesn't do any darn bit of good with me having contacts in when I think they're not working. So my variation is 0 to 8. All right, just remember that one, okay? And I'm gonna have to leave them on because I'm as blind as a bat right now. And then this one is, the very first one is Glow on 5th. That's the name of the company. And it is called Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Comes in at 30 bucks. This is a new launch for Boxy. Not really sure what it is that we're gonna see inside this thing. I always tell you guys, and I'll say this 100 times, this is the part of unboxing that I don't like, is taking this stuff off if I end up putting it in a giveaway. Because I want the boxes to, I want the things to be original, you know what I mean? The original packaging. Okay, it says Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Kind of container we got here. Oh well, it looks like peanut butter. It does. Or smashed yams. And it's plastic. You can squeeze the container. It looks like peanut butter or Dijon mustard. Nope, just simple. No scent. Well, I would have expected it, and it does have a little, does come with a little spatula. I would have almost expected to have peanut butter, Why? Because it looks like it. Looks like yams, looks like peanut butter. And then the next one is the Foundation Stick by Trestique. And this too is a new launch for Boxy. This one comes in at $30. I don't think, and it is refillable. It's a foundation and blender in a forever case. And mine was the, where is it? Medium coverage. This is it. The blue, I know it's not gonna really seem like a blue to you, but it is like a blue. Can you see it kind of like that? It is a blue. Then you have it right there. It says I'm refillable. This took a little bit getting off. And then there's a little sponge on the other end. Also refillable. And then by Seraphine Botanicals, this is the Primrose and Cream Lip. Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Comes in at $42. You do get 3 shades. Brown Butter, Rosy Pink, and Deep Rose. Those are really pretty. They are kind of right up my alley, aren't they? Oh, those are nice. Says with Gold of Pleasure oil and shea butter, so there's gonna have some. Ooh, they are creamy. They weren't kidding. Now I got little marks in there. Oh well, I planned on keeping it. Always takes me a little bit before I start getting my groove. Like Stella, how Stella got her groove back. And then by BoxyOver50, this is the makeup brush cleanser. I already have this in the smaller container, so it never hurts to have something like this on hand. $19. And then by M Greengrass, this is the Cardamon Lavender Foaming Body Scrub. I have this one in that spritz that you can put on your body and your hair, you know, but it's not a body scrub. It's after you get out of the shower. Ooh, that's good. Oh, check that out. You can see all those little flecks in there. Those are pretty cool. I don't think you're going to be able to smell it, but it almost look like coffee grounds, right? Look at that. Yeah, $24. Foaming body scrub, but I think it's going to have a seal on it, which it does, so we won't open it. All right, you guys, that is everything for my box. My total comes in at $145. Again, we got the M Greengrass, which is the lavender foaming body scrub. By BoxyOver50 Pro, the makeup brush cleanser. Trestique, the foundation stick that is refillable. I did get Primrose and Cream, the lip and cheek cream palette. Those three beautiful colors. And by Glow on 5th, Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. That stuff that looks like peanut butter. That's everything from mine. The only two things that were in there that were new launches was the Glow, which is the mud mask, and the Trestique. So those are new launches for Boxy. That's it. That's everything. Please do me a favor before you head out. I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. And just to let me know you stopped by, just say hi. Just say hi. Thanks a lot for stopping and watching this video and spending just a little bit of time with me, you guys. You guys take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.